Welcome to PrepareNext.com. Today we're gonna see about how to become an IAS officer. At first, who is an IAS officer? An IAS officer has the responsibility of implementing government policies and providing valuable feedback during decision-making processes for the central and state governments. And what are the roles for IAS officer? The role of IAS officer is to assist the government with policy formalization and administration, implementation of policies, providing key information about the implementation status, impact of policies to the concerned ministries. To become an IAS officer, you have to pass civil service examination conducted by UPSC every year. The test is intended to recruit candidates for about 25 services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, and other central government positions, as well as aid positions. In January or February of every year, UPSC releases a notification inviting applicants, and the preliminary exam is usually held by the end of May or early June. As a candidate of CSE examination conducted by the UPSC, and UPSC conducts civil service examination in three phases, namely preliminary, civil service main examination, personality test, or interview. Perks of being an IAS officer. There is no charge of staying in government hotels or bungalows while on duty, since accommodations are provided by the government with subsidiary. As well as the security staff, household assistant includes cook, gardeners, etc. Pensions are paid monthly after retirement. There is no charge for internet, telephone, or mobile phone usage. What are the steps for preparing the civil service exam to become an IAS officer? Build a strong foundation. To build a strong foundation, you should start with NCERTs. They are the extremely important and indispensable source of information that will introduce to topics which you should study in detail for UPSC preparation. Refer the NCERT books to get started with your UPSC preparation. Keep up with the current events. The UPSC asks questions directly from current affairs in the preliminary examination every year. So far, UPSC you should read the current affairs of the past of 12 to 18 months, as it helps you to prepare for the prelims. You can read the free article on how current affairs play a huge role in UPSC exams on internet. Practice with the mock test. Taking mock tests is the most crucial part of your UPSC examination, since it helps you to analyze your preparation and identify your weak areas. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. PrepareNext.com. Thank you.